Hello everyone. So in this video, we will talk about what is system software. Okay. Maybe we can imagine at the very beginning, we have a machine. Okay, you can think that this is your computer. Okay, and it's connected to many different devices, just like some input device. Okay, like keyboard or mouse and so on. And also it has connected to some output device. Okay, like a speaker or monitor or printer. Okay, so if you are going to use the machine, but if it does not provide any software, actually you cannot communicate with this machine because the machine only understand some 00110. Okay, but for human we are difficult. Okay, it is very difficult to use this 0 and 1 to communicate with the machine. Okay, so in the middle, okay, between us, okay, between the user and machine, we should store a system. Okay, we call it the system software, so that we can use the system software to control the machine. Alright, so here we can know that system software used to control some computer operation, just like starting up the computer and controlling some hardware. Okay. On the other hand, after we can use the hardware of the machine, and then we would like to ask the software to do something. Okay, so it will provide some application software, okay, for us to control it. Okay, so application software, we have many examples, just like maybe if you want to make a document, you may use Microsoft Word. Okay, or if you want to do some automatic calculation, you may use Microsoft Excel. On the other hand, if you want to play game, okay, so you can have some application software which is some game, okay, and then you can use it. Okay, so the system, okay, software, the application of it is to provide a platform, okay, for you and the hardware to do some coordination. So it will say that it also control, manage and coordinate the hardware component. Okay， 咁即係整體嚟講咧，一個 system software 咧就係喺你嗰部電腦 ，OK， 一啲機器嚟嘅，你係必須要用啲0101先至可以同佢溝通嘅。咁但係喺呢一個溝通之上咧，咁我哋就會有一啲叫 system software， 咁就方便你哋咧就係同個電腦咧做啲溝通，同埋叫部電腦同你做一啲嘢嘅。咁所以咧個 system software 咧就會係幫你咧去control、manage 同埋 coordinate 嗰啲 hardware 啦。OK， 你可以控制嗰啲硬件啦，啲 hardware 啦，可以管理啦 manage 啲硬件啦，亦都可以 coordinate， 即係同佢做一啲嘅溝通啊、交流啊咁樣樣。OK， 咁另外咧，咁我哋亦都有啲 application software 啦。咁個system 咧就係做一個中間人，就提供一個位置咧，一個 platform。OK， 咁好似咧你上台跳舞咁啦，有一個舞台。OK， 咁喺個舞台上面咧就俾你咧去 run 咧一啲 application software， 咁你就可以做咧一啲你想做嘅其他工作啦。OK， 咁得。So here we say that the system software is intermediate okay, between you and the application software. Okay, so it is an intermediate to provide platform, okay, for you to run or use the application software. Okay, so here is a diagram. Okay, so here we'll use an example to explain what is how does the system software work. Okay, so the example is someone, okay, let's say Mary, she want to print a document. Okay, she want to print a document. Okay, sure, she should have a printer. Okay, she should have a printer. Okay, so that means at the very beginning we'll have a user. So this user is Mary. Okay, and at the other end there should have some hardware. Okay, so one of the hardware should be the printer. Okay, so at the very beginning when you start up the computer, it should run the program called BIOS. Okay, the BIOS. Okay, so the BIOS is used to boot up the computer and then check all the required hardware are run properly. Okay, so it is used to one of the very important job is check all necessary hardware work properly. OK， 咁最緊要係 necessary 因為有啲 not necessary 嗰啲咧，佢未必 check 嘅因為咧你例如你部機咧keyboard 啦、CPU 啦、RAM 啦呢啲必須要有嘅 ，secondary storage 啦呢啲必須要有嘅，咁佢就一定會 check 清楚咁其他嗰啲嘅，即係例如你話使唔使裝個video cam 使唔使裝 speaker 使唔使裝 microphone 呢啲咧，就佢未必會 check 啦。你有裝冇裝，有冇壞到，佢就未必會 check 啦。Okay, and then after we run the BIOS and check that all the hardware work properly, another system will be run, that is operating system. Okay, so which will load from the secondary storage. Okay, and then it will provide a platform to the user, okay, such that Mary can operate the computer with the operating system. Okay, so after the operating system run properly, Mary can run the required application software. So in this case, she will run the Microsoft Word. Okay. 咁之後佢就開始打字啦 ，OK， 咁喺個 application software 嗰個 Microsoft Word 上面打字啦。咁打完晒字之後咧，咁佢完成啦，咁佢就會撳個 print 掣 ，OK，press the printer icon，OK， 撳個 print 掣，咁佢咧就會開始 print 佢嗰個 job 啦。咁同埋你留意咧，喺 print 個 job 嘅時候咧，佢會點樣行咧？ First of all, the application software will send the request, okay, the first request. Okay, request 即係一啲嘅要求個 application 會 send 一個要求喺 operating system 嗰度，咁就同佢講啦唔該，我想 print 嘢，我想 print 一個 document。咁之後咧個 operating system 就會 check 一 check 佢有冇嗰個 printer 啦。嗰個 printer 係咪 work 啦 ？OK， 咁喺呢啲嘅時候咧，咁因為個 operating system 咧未必一定係好認識個 printer 嘅因為個 printer 咧你可以買好多唔同嘅牌子啦、唔同嘅型號啦咁所以咧佢個 operating system 未必會認得個 printer 嘅，咁所以咧我哋另外 install 咧一個我哋叫做 device driver。咁呢個 device driver 咧就會咧係你可以咁講啦，佢就會咧teach 個 operating system to use the device。OK， 佢會 teach 個 operating system 咧去用咧嗰個 particular 嘅 device 嘅。 OK， 咁喺呢個 case 上面咧，就係佢會教佢咧點樣用個 printer。OK， 好啦，咁到個 operating system 咧就了解 Mary 呢個 print job， 亦都了解咧嗰個 printer 係 work properly 嘅時候咧，咁佢就會將呢個 request 咧 send 去個 printer 嗰度。咁之後 printer 咧就會因應翻個 job 嘅要求咧，就完成呢一個 printing 嘅過程。OK。咁所以你會見到咧，成個咧printing 淨係講個 printing 過程咧，有好多個system software 咧係會牽涉在內嘅。咁包括咧就係個 BIOS 啦 ，the first one BIOS 啦 ，and then 就 operating system 啦 ，and then 咧就會去到個 device driver。OK。咁下面呢一度咧就會有頭先所講嗰幾個咧 system software 嗰個我哋叫做 interface 啦，即係佢嗰個樣啊，佢提供俾你嗰個外貌啊，個樣啊，個 interface。OK， 咁或者叫界面啦。OK， 咁有個界面俾你睇嘅。OK， 咁例如啦，好似 operating system 啦。OK， 咁就有 iOS、Android。或者咧呢一個咧就係個 Windows 嚟嘅 ，OK，Microsoft Windows。And then 咧 the second one 就係個 device driver。咁呢個 driver 咧就install 咗之後咧，其實佢就冇嘢睇㗎啦，係啊，因為咧佢唔係俾 user 用嘅，係俾個 operating system 咧去 understand 你個 device 嘅。咁所以 install 完咧就只要你用到個 hardware 咧，咁佢個工作就完成啦，咁佢就已經喺度running 㗎啦，得。咁到第三個就係當你開機when you start up the computer，OK，you will see the BIOS，OK，咁係你 start up 個 computer 嘅時候，咁你會見到佢啦。OK，咁另外第四個咧，咁我哋稍後會講到嘅，咁就叫 utility program。OK， 咁 utility program 咧就係讓到你咧嗰個 system 咧，你個電腦啦 run smoothly 嘅，咁令到佢咧可以咧順暢地運作嘅。OK，咁呢個我哋稍後會討論嘅。